Hello guys and welcome back to Techie's Crew channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix add music to Instagram post not showing. If you are facing issue with the add music option not showing or being unavailable on Instagram posts, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. First of all, update Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram app. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your phone. Review account type. Business or creator accounts may have access to different features. If you have a personal account, consider switching to a business or creator account if that aligns with your account type. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.